Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make crab stick wrap. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need a tortilla wrapper, and this is spinach. That's why it's green. And then mayonnaise, carrots, cucumber, cheese, and then the crab stick, and then salt and pepper. Okay, we're gonna put mayonnaise like this. Okay, like that. And then we're gonna add this one. Okay, and then this one also. Oh, this one is very tall, huh? So I'm gonna chop a little bit. Okay. And then add a little bit of this one so that they are the same. And then we're gonna add cheese. Cheese. And then cheese. Okay. Okay. And then the crab stick. Okay, we're gonna add a crab stick like that. Okay, and then we're gonna wrap it. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is it. And then we're gonna get this end here. Like that. Like this. And then we're gonna do like this. Like that. Okay, like that. Okay, look at that one. Oh, okay, we're gonna put it here. It's yummy. But actually, we forgot the pepper and salt, but we just do it in the second. But it's okay also if there's no pepper and salt, because the crab stick has a taste already. But it's nice also that we have. Okay. Okay. This one, we won't forget. Okay. And then this one. Okay, we just do like that. And then the cheese. Okay, and then the crab stick. Okay, and then guys, we put a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Okay, just like that, not so much. And then this one. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna wrap this one like this. We're gonna cut the edge. And then we're gonna slice into half. Okay, and we're gonna make it 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 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 This one we're gonna put this one here because we did not make it properly. Okay. So this is it. Okay. That one. Okay. It's very yummy na. Okay. Okay. And we And this one. And that one. Okay. And then this one. Okay. And then the cheese. Okay, guys. The cheese is super yummy, guys. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it like the same so that it become okay. Okay, and then this one. And then a pinch of salt. A pinch of black pepper. Like that. And then wrap it. Okay. 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 Okay, guys, it's super yummy. Oh, natangtang. Guys, so it's done. I have still many ingredients, but I have no more tortilla wrap, so that's why I just end this. Okay, like this. Look at this one. It's super yummy. So I have to taste. So I have still so much, so I can do it later. If I have a tortilla wrap, I will buy some more. And then, as of now, I'm gonna finish it. Okay, so it's super yummy. So I'm gonna add sriracha. Okay, guys, or you can add ketchup or whatever you want. Okay, so look at this one. I'm gonna taste it. It's yummy, guys. It's very healthy, and then it's crunchy. It's very refreshing. So crab stick wrap. It's good for appetizer, snacks. So this is our crab stick wrap. Okay. It's yummy. And if you don't want to put salt, it's okay also, guys, because the crab stick has a flavor already. So you don't need to put salt, but I add a little salt and then black pepper. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.